Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's Rednote application video, we will discuss that how you can enable teen mode in Rednote application. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. To begin with, you need to open your Rednote application. Once you do so, then you need to tap on your profile, which is me, right at the bottom right corner, and then you need to tap on the setting icon. So once you tap on the setting icon, it will bring you to the setting menu, and right here at the bottom, you will find teen mode. So if you tap on teen mode and you want to enable it, but you don't know what teen mode is, it's because everything here is in Chinese language. So you can actually take a screenshot of the screen. Once you take a screenshot, go back and you will find the Google Translator here. So once you find the Google Translator, tap on the camera icon, and from here you can go to your gallery and select that one. From here you can choose the language to be Chinese, and here it will translate it into English. So you can read all about that, and right at the bottom of the screenshot here they say turn on teen mode. So I will come back, and here you will tap on the teen mode and that will be enabled. So here the important thing here is that the teen mode is an attempt by the application to promote the healthy growth of teenager. So the total usage time per day should not exceed 40 minutes. So if your kids are using Rednote application, that is a very good option to enable on their phone. Just tap on this option and teen mode will be enabled to protect your kids. So because there will be a less time for them to use the phone in the night time, it will not work. The content that they will show to the kids will also be specific content. They will not see everything on Rednote. So guys, this is how you can enable teen mode on Rednote application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.